Digging through vintage Apple II software and found a TFB file? This is an obscure data file from the classic Apple II era with limited modern documentation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate and access these vintage files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium TFB file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. TFB files are data files associated with the Apple II computer platform with limited publicly available documentation about their specific purpose. They likely store application-specific data from a particular Apple II software title containing structured information used by that program, for game saves configuration or content data. TFB files on the Apple II typically use ProDOS or DOS 3.3 file system formats with application-specific binary structures inside. The internal format depends entirely on the original creating software, with possible content, including text data graphics formatted for the Apple II display modes, or program-specific encoded information. Most installations default to associating unknown software from unknown developer with TFB. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows lacks support for the format's old specifications, requiring specialized utilities. The fastest method is to exhaust all compatible openers. Right-click the TFB file and hit Open With. Use unknown software if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the handler. If your TFB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, examining with hex editor. Open the TFB file in a hex editor like HXD or 010 editor to inspect the raw bytes for recognizable patterns. Look for ASCII strings file signatures or repeating structures that might hint at the file's purpose. This examination provides clues about which Apple II application created the file and how to interpret its contents. Next, loading an Apple II emulator. Use an Apple II emulator like AppleWin or Virtual2 and mount a disk image containing the TFB file. Boot the emulator into ProDOS or DOS 3.3 and use file utilities to inspect or load the file. Try opening it with various Apple II applications to identify which software recognizes the format. Finally, researching the origin. Search Apple II preservation communities like the Internet Archive's Apple II collection, or Asimov FTP archives for documentation referencing TFB files. Forum communities such as comp.sys.apple2 newsgroup archives often contain historical knowledge about obscure file formats. Cross-reference the file with known Apple II software catalogs to identify the original application. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.